A man believed that if he held in a sneeze, it would generate brain electricity. He read one Facebook post that said, "It's how dolphins stay smart." So obviously, science. Every time he felt a sneeze coming, he clenched his nose like it was a nuclear button. He told people he was updating his brain software at Starbucks out loud. Eventually, he stopped sneezing entirely, said it was a sign his brain was at 100% charge. Then one day, he sneezed once. He instantly forgot his name, unlocked telepathy, and ordered a burrito by thinking about it. Now he only communicates through forehead vibrations and refuses to talk to anyone without a Wi-Fi signal.